Well, I haven't been doing too good a job of keeping everybody updated on what's been going on. Apologize for that. Uh, just to let you know what has been going on, though, here's basically the deal. I've been working 2 jobs now. So, needless to say, been pretty busy. Case in point, yesterday was Sunday. I put in almost 16 hours at my part-time job. And today is, of course, Monday, so I start my work week. And, I'll work Monday through Thursday at that job, and then I'll probably work Friday and Saturday, or maybe just Saturday at the other job this weekend. So, I haven't had a whole lot of time to make videos or get them uploaded. That being said, this is the next project you're going to see me working on. It is a 4-foot wide by 8-foot double-decker brooder. Now, using 4x4 cedar posts for the corners. Alright, because I've got them, and they're from fence removals, so they're not really worth putting back in the ground, but there's enough good wood on them that if you cut them down right, they'll work. I'm making it so it's going to be 2 foot tall, top and bottom. This one's probably going to have a flat roof on it. The one thing that I did mess up on, though, is I should have made it so it was 8 foot overall, and instead I put the 8 foot 2x4s in between the posts. And as a result, I will probably have to use more than one sheet of plywood for the roof. So the rest of I'm going to make them only 8 foot overall, so I can use one full sheet of plywood on the top and be done with it. Now, the back is going to be solid wood, top and bottom. And the back 2 feet is going to be solid wood, top and bottom. A lot of rabbits running around here today. Anyways, it's going to have a hardware cloth floor on the top level. And I'm going to use, I want to say it's 1/4 inch. It's pretty small stuff. Let me see here. Yeah, 1/4 inch for the floor and for the sides on the top part. Now, when I go to the bottom part, it's going to be 1/2 inch. Why am I doing 2 different sizes? Well, basically, here's how this is going to work. The idea is that when you first bring the chicks out, they'll be in the top half. Alright? Now, 4 foot by 8 foot, that's 32 feet squared. So once they've outgrown that amount of space, I'm going to make me a drop down ramp for the top, and I'm going to keep that shut. So once they outgrow it, and drop that ramp down, and then they'll be able to go down to the bottom half, and that will give them twice the space that they need. And we'll make it so that I don't have to catch them and move them to continually bigger pens. The other nice thing about this is it's going to allow me to not take up a lot of, I guess you could say, footprint. In other words, I'm not going to take up a lot of the land itself because I'm building vertically instead of horizontally. As you can imagine, between the 4x4s, the 2x4s, the plywood, and wire, this is going to be kind of heavy. So you're going to need a machine to move it. Nice thing about it, though, you're not going to have to move it that often. Alright? And if you want it just for a little mobile hen house or something, that's great too. I mean, 64 square foot, that's oh, let's say, let's think big here. Let's go with the big breeds. 10 square foot per bird. You got 6, you can put 6, Brahmas or Cochins in one of these. Not that I'd recommend putting Brahmas or Cochins on a wire floor, but you get what I'm saying. Ducks are coming home for the night. Split up the last of the breeders this weekend. But, yeah, so stay tuned and I'll try and keep you informed as best as I can. And this is a prototype. Things could go wrong. Things likely will go wrong. I will probably make modifications along the way between this one and the second one I build, or the third one I build. Like I said, I already know I got to make them shorter. But there you have it. Hope you all have a good evening.